Here's another QVT. Here's a tip that I've shared on Periscope in the past, and everybody seems to like this one. You need an embroidery needle, which is a needle with a large eye. They sell these at Joann Fabrics in packs of 4 or 6 or something like that. So you can get you a pack of these. What we're going to do is bury the serge tail. Instead of tying it in a knot, you can cut it off. Take your embroidery needle and thread it in the existing stitches, like so. And then take the edge of the tail, what's left of the serge tail, and put it right in the eye of the embroidery needle. Slide it down. Uh-oh. That one's getting caught. There it goes. And then just bring it through. That's it. It's buried and it looks good. If you got a longer tail, you can just clip the bottom off. Now I'm ready to put my hem in. Hope this helps.